Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're having an issue with your Ethernet being able to work properly, but your Wi-Fi is not. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu and type in System Information. Best match, should come back with System Information. Go ahead and open that up. So you want to select the little plus sign next to components, and then you want to select network, again the plus sign next to that, and then just go ahead and select adapter. Just give that a moment there. And now on the right side, now there should be something that says wireless in here. If you don't see anything that says wireless AC, then that means you probably do not have a Wi-Fi adapter hooked up or it's not properly working on your computer, in which case if you have like a dongle, you might want to try swapping it out with a different one or try plugging it into a different USB port on your computer. You may have to do a network reset, which is something we can look into here as well. If you don't have a Wi-Fi adapter or Wi-Fi card on your computer or network card on your computer, you're really not going to have much luck with the Wi-Fi option here. So that's just something to take a look into first. So once you've done that, if you want to close out of here, something else we can look into here as well. If you open up the search menu, type in Device Manager. Best match should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. You want to double click on the network adapter section in here. And if you see a network connection in here that's disabled, so the way you'll know it's disabled, it'll look like this. So have a little downward facing arrow. You want to right click on it and select Enable Device and give that a moment. And then once that's done, see if the Wi-Fi connectivity has been restored. If you're still having a problem, one final thing we can try here as well. If you open up the search menu and type in CMD, best match should come back with Command Prompt. Right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should come back a Windows IP configuration, successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset, once again exactly how you see it on my screen, and proceed to hit enter. Now it should come back with successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. At this point, go ahead and close out of here, and you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point your issue has been resolved and you should be able to access your Wi-Fi. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.